Welcome to ENV training session here, GWS Sculpt. So I'm gonna first start going through step by step. Everything is here. So here it is ENV tree sculpting workflow. So we start basically from references. Uh, First, we have to understand that we should have that basic knowledge of GBrush. I hope everyone have this basic knowledge about GBrush. So first need to have basic knowledge in GBrush, using GBrushes, layers, morph target, etc. Need to collect all the multiple references based on the species or based on the requirements. So for concept-based sculpt, try to find the geographical location to the species and the collect references. So need to gather all the references, whatever you need to follow or depend on the requirement. So first collect all the references as per requirement and move to next steps. Sculpting based trees. So divide asset intelligently to multiple subtool to increase the more resolution to create a seamless UV to apply tile level alphas. So here uh, you can see the color coded here the branches. So basically we color coded for the these branches because of there are one trunk and yeah, 4 variation of branches. So we do this because of we need more resolution, because all together we cannot subdivide or GBrush can't handle it. So we, for a better resolution, we divided it into multiple subtools, so we can get the more better result. This is the second step. Go to the next step. Base sculpt. So here the base sculpting, as you can see in the reference here, these are the base sculpt here I'm pointing out here. See, for breaking the silhouette or for breaking the for the volumes of the branches, trunks, we need to do the basic self first. This is the first thing. I'll show you one by one by through ZBrush. But first I have to complete this steps. So next step is using Megascan. So through Megascan we can sculpt all the necessary parts like this of logs, broken branches. We can project it and both is there chip offs. So we can basically do very easiest way to the this kind of details we can get very easily through these alphas, or need to inflate these branches before we do the apply the alphas here. And then noisemaker and the noisemaker as a mask. So I'll start again from the this thing. It's called burst trees. So here divide the asset intelligently. So I can show you the brush. As you can see in this tree, I divided into multiple subtools. I did this because of to get a better resolution. I separate the trunk from the branches and I merge it like this. I keep it like this, and you can see in the layers So this is the first thing that I have to understand, that how you have to manage the full tree without any problem. So first divide all the branches into different subtools and subdivide it. So go to next step. So here subtool base skull base volume manually to get the scallop shape. See the scallop shape here. How to get this? Always use layers. Yeah, main thing important is need to use layers before you do anything, or before you import the OBJ file in your ZBrush. You have to do all the UVs of these things, trunk, branches, everything. The UV should be done, and the UV should be straight, so that the if you will tile level maps, so it will be very so easy for us to the projecting thing. So use tile level maps here. Use the keep the UV straight before you importing in the ZBrush. So it is the UVs of this you can see the UVs here all done. Groups of target. Because it is in UDM, so it's all come together. So like this, the UV should be straight. So the UV should be like this, straight. And yeah, and then the base sculpt. So base sculpt is to do, yeah, first divide this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see it's working or not. The base sculpt. For base sculpt, you don't need to go for higher resolution. Keep it higher resolution, but when you go for a base sculpt, you have to be in second division or third division. It is better to handle all the things. It's called very easy for you to sculpt. So like this, you can sculpt all the uh, base volumes, create all the volumes as a requirement. If you follow any references, so yeah. Yeah, one thing I forgot, sorry for that. Yeah, first you have to keep layers. Go to, if you keep it in higher 5 division level, 5 division, yeah, so 5 subdivision here, and go to layers. Yeah, this is for base sculpt. You can name it as base sculpt or volume base sculpt. So for everything should be, layer is should be there. uh, so for branches also, keep it high refs, and then make a layer. Yeah, keep it everything is in layer, so it will be helpful to deal if anything happened, or suppose if any mistakes happen, so you can delete this layer. You can do in other layers also. You know that already, so I'm just reminding you. So here it is. I'm going to lower subdivision level. Yeah, this is the base sculpt. Use dam standard process for sharp edges here. For sharp edges, use the brush. Damn standard brushes. This kind of roots need to visual properly. In a base skull, it should be coming properly, means the volume should come properly. So you will get the better results when you apply noise or alphas on it. It's already done. Actually, the base volume is here, so I need to do just little bit of more volume. You can use inflate brush also for volume. Also, it gives a volume, better volume, wherever you want. Inflate brush, these things. Yeah. Yep. Or you can just build clay buildup. This clay builders, so you'll get a better volume here however you want. You can sculpt it to this with this brush also. So I'm showing only one branch here. Uh, so you'll get this better results here if you use this build curve. So this kind of volume, I can isolate all the disturbing. Hmm. So here go to next step. Yeah. So sculpt this volume manually. So manually you can do, as you understand this, what I'm saying you. You have to do this volume to get this volume. Do them manually, sculpt for break the silhouette, and then yeah, you can use these alphas also as to get this kind of result. As you can see here, yeah. So before you apply the alpha for depth, suppose show you this type of depth. If you want to get this type of depth, then do one thing: inflate that trunk. First, inflate the mesh. I'll show you how to do. Suppose for this, you have to keep in other layer the inflating. Yeah, name it inflate. So go to deformation. I give it 0.2. 0.2 three times 0.2. Let's check the depth here. First, you have to check the depth. How much depth is coming? Okay, sorry. You have to do the morph target also. Wait a minute. Uh, Before you give morph, before you give any inflate value here, first need to do morph target. Store morph target. Go to that layer. Yeah. Now you start checking the depth. How much depth you need. So use that morph brush. Yeah. If you want this much of depth, then it's fine. If you want more, then you have to do more inflated, like not that much, but under control. Go to morph again. I want more. That's why I'm going back to inflate again. 0.2. Again, I'm giving value 0.2. 0.2. Yeah. So let's go back to layers. Move to this layer. Yeah. See. So this was is fine. I think this was. Hmm. So I morph target the trunk, and I apply inflate also to get that depth. Yeah, these alphas. uh, okay, I don't have proper alpha right now in here, so I can just give you an example how to apply alphas, or you can do easily from noise maker, which I have mentioned earlier, here only. Image as mask. So as mask we can use this. So as mask we can do this from noise also, surface noise. Go to surface noise. Noise plugin. That's wait a minute. Basic noise. I don't need basic noise. I'm going through noise plugin. That's why I'm closing that question. Uh, Scale it up. But yeah. So uh, apply that noise here. Like you have to maintain the values to get that mask. So it's up to you how you manage this, how you enter manage the values here. So if you are happy on this, then okay, please go ahead. Okay, I can see here the mask is having. So I can use this as a mask. So whatever do, mask by noise. If I click mask by noise, it's turned into mask. It's taking so much time, a little bit time of processing. So for sharpness, you have to do go to mouse, make it sharp, sharp it. So you'll get chief of type of mask. Yeah. Without applying any other alphas or importing any alphas, you can do through this. You can do this through surface noise also. So without wasting much time, that means you'll get that result. So flip it and start doing, more brushes. So as you can see, I'm getting the depth also here because I already inflate it, or I morph target it. I save the morph target here. So I'm getting the results here, the depth here. If you want more, then you can go to surface noise again and increase the values, so you'll get that more chip offs. For variation, you can give variation also. So this is how I'll get that most thing of things here. So it's not look good as they see here, but I'm just giving an example how to do or how we are doing here. So if you want more chief of here, go back to surface noise again. Where is it? Surface noise, surface noise. Yeah, here. Noise, surface noise, edit mode, strength, or increase the size also. If you want bigger size, see it's how you can increase the size through this plugin scale. If you use noise plugin, then go through this plugin scale. It will not work. Noise scale will not work here. Change the color from here. It's up to you. So here, marks my noise again. It's taking much time, a little bit time up. I think it's stuck. It's done. So go to mask again, sharpen the mask, sharpen the mask. So you'll get that same zip offs here, but in different variation. You can, if you want it, a little bit of vertically long zip offs, you can also get it here. Through the values, you have to go to other. Okay, I'll show you that thing also. But first, yeah, first complete this thing. Yes. So mop brush is here and start mopping all the unmasked areas. Yeah, on this is how you have to get this all the chip of things. All in branch also you can do the same way wherever you want the chip pops. And okay, let's move to the next step. Yeah, here you can see using noise maker is easy to create vertical patterns by adjusting few values. For this example, play with different options to get interesting results. Yeah, you can see, as you can see here in the noise plugin here, dance option is clicking here, and you can adjust these values: scale, y scale, x scale, z scale, or angle also you can adjust. Once you have to you can use these values as far you're adjusting the patterns. So I'm showing you these patterns, these vertical patterns are you seeing here, how you will get it, how do you get it there. So go to GBrush again, go to layers first, create a layer, name it, yeah, name your previous layer, then it is zip off or mask, zip off. Okay, um, name it name it as noise maker, anything noise maker, noise bark, or sorry, bark, name it bark, vertical bark, or you can name it. Go to surface noise, there it is. Go to dance, reset it, go to edit mode. Before you go to edit mode, increase the strength, and click on that edit mode. Go to dance, that's already selected. Yes, zoom, You can see if I change the angle, it gives different pattern also. See, because right now I want this vertical lines here, so I'm giving this way. Because of the UV is straight, so it's coming properly. If your UV is not straight, then it will not coming properly. Yeah, so a little bit the bark, yeah, the patterns are a little bit bigger. So I'm editing again. Yes, increase the strength, sorry, decrease the scan here. So still it's not coming properly because it's going one way up direction. So it's slowing. Yeah. I'm going again to knock. Angle. And apply. Hmm. Yeah. So suppose this area is not coming properly, so you can remove it from workbench also. Go to go to layers, select that layer. Wherever you don't want, you can remove it from workbench. And it's coming on chip off, so you can remove it from chip offs also. Little bit, not that much. Not everywhere. So these areas are filled up with branches, so no need to worry about these areas. Still it's not coming proper because this area services and it's going up. Not that I want vertical lines. So for these areas you need to do manually. Sorry, these areas coming proper. Yeah. I'm going back to more surface noise again. Yeah, adjusting the Yeah, while you're doing this surface noise, you have to be very careful because it's too heavy. So maybe sometimes it will crash. I think it's crashed. Anyway, I'm going back to that PPT file. Let it come first. Okay, so show you here. As you can see how wonderfully this box dents are coming here. So this also same way we did here through that surface noise. This thing you'll get very easily to get from here, but you have to play with that values, so you'll get that this kind of result. Again, see all over the, see this bark, this depth you'll get through that morph targeting inflate. You have to do the inflate, then you'll get this thing. All you already did, that you already see that how we did this inflate thing here. See this type of, it's not everywhere that patterns, but somewhere it's going up down. See here the branches, this tip of they have said we applied here. So tip of, sometimes we use alphas, bark alphas to let it is stuck. Okay, it will not work. I have to close this. I'll open it again. Yeah. So let us say, yeah. If you want more depth, you have to go back to inflate and give more depth. So go back to inflate here. I'm given 5. Yeah, I think it's pretty well now. Yeah, one more thing I can show you here. Go to surface noise. Yeah, noise is there. Yeah, UV noise plugin and UV both you can use. UV when you have, if you have alphas, high level alphas, you can use through UVs also. You'll get the proper that thing barks. Uh, Wait a minute, I have some alphas here. Let me check. Yeah, I don't think so. These are tri level. This type of shape. Zoom it. Let's see the strength. It's this type of. The alpha is not that good, so it's coming like that. Or strand, increase the strand here. For variation, you can give it. On top of that, you can apply those noise also, the tip offs and everything. Very easy to get that result, but it is not that way they're doing here. Means on that photographs you have seen. Uh, Wait, go to surface noise. It is in there. No, okay, it's not yet applied. Okay, I'm creating new layer. Apply to mesh. Yeah. Go to layer again. New layer. Surface noise. Edit mode. I don't need this UV mode now. Go to noise again. 3D noise plugin. Go to dance. Yeah. Go to noise plugin edit. Angle. You can see here. slowly I'm getting the result. But gradually it's coming. Yeah, you can morph some areas, but before you morph it, do one thing. First, keep the morph target present. Go to surface, apply the mesh. Mm, Go to layers. Composite. Morph target. Layers. Mm, Yeah, you can remove unwanted areas. You can remove that bark from unwanted areas. Like, see, these areas are not looking good, so I can remove it from here, from morph brushes, like this. I don't need these areas, so I can remove it from here. So these areas also I don't want these areas also. It's not that way that I'm thinking. It's going as it is also not required. Some areas I'm removing for getting the variation. So in this area is coming very well. Uh, yes. Some areas need to be removed.
Mahadev, sorry to interrupt you in between.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
yeah,
sure.
so when is the
Yeah,
session? When is your session is getting over? Because we are running out of time, and the time is now for a Q&A.
yeah, yeah. It's over now. Just last step is here. I'm just
Sure,
telling you
sure.
last step
Go ahead. Okay.
because yeah, because yeah. So this is done. This is how you have to do that to get that that bark here, but it's not that that much suitable here. But you understand now that how to get that result here if you use this surface noise thing. Okay, next to move. Yeah, this thing. This is the last stage actually. So this is it. Same way. I will tell you that. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. So here you can see these dots. These also can you can do through surface noise. So guys, this is it for now. Actually, this is how we are doing here, but this is not that result expected because it needs little time to concentration. As I'm just telling you the giving you the understand the basic knowledge of it, how we do, and this is how we do here. But everything is doing depend on this noise thing. You have to play all the values here, so you'll get that better results. For that you have to little bit concentrate on follow the references, whatever your references you will have to do. That's it.